Magandang hapon po ng Monday, April 15, 2024 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng Monday, April 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM draw result ngayong hapon ng April 15, 2024 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. 'See you again later for 9 PM draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Monday, April 15, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 29.7 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 29 million pesos for April 15, 2024 Monday. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for Monday, April 15, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.